Spent 32 years in the Royal Navy. Most of that was in submarines. My last sea job was commanding a Trident submarine. I thoroughly enjoyed my naval career, but of course you come to a point in your naval career when you start spending rather more time ashore. And I thought, actually, I'd quite like to get back to the waterfront. And so that becoming a harbour master was a natural progression for me.
It started off with workboats. We had several boats on the construction of the London Eye, then moved on to the Hungerford footbridges, and the sort of projects that we now undertake in that area of the business is refurbishment of the Thames barrier. We worked with the contractor there for a couple of years, reinstating the new cranes, taking the old cranes off of each abutment and putting new cranes on it. So, you know, various civil engineering projects.
After 15 years in a corporate style job in Australia and sailing and boating for fun, I decided that work was getting in the way, so I decided to turn my hobby into a career. And for the last 15 years or so, I've been working either as a commercial skipper, master of vessels, or more recently in this role where I'm managing and administering the training schemes worldwide for the RYA.
I came from a science background and then worked in mining in New Zealand, and when I came back to the UK, it seemed the obvious place to go, where there was the same level of engineering and mechanical endeavour that obviously we don't tend to see around us, apart from maybe in large civil engineering projects.
My uncle gave me a call and said that there was an apprenticeship position available, and the rest is history, really. I just sort of took the plunge and went for it. It wasn't the most glamorous of starts, I've got to admit, but here I am now and sitting in your great company and with the opportunity to promote such a magnificent project as the Thames Tideway Tunnel.